Today we are going to start our next chapter, which is uniform motion. Dear student, you must have studied about the motion and types of motion which are uniform and non-uniform motion in your previous class. In this class you will do a detailed study about the motion. Now to start with, we must know what is motion actually. We know everything around us when we see which is moving, which appear to be moving. How can you judge that object is moving? You can see that bus is moving, a cyclist on the cycle that is moving, scooter moving, right? Everything which you looked at, it is moving with respect to you. Actually, it is changing its position with respect to you. It means anything which changes its position with respect to you is to be in motion. So what the definition of motion could be? The change in position of the object with respect to surroundings, right? The change in position of object with respect to surrounding is called motion. For example, suppose you are sitting now at a fixed position. You are not changing its position, so you are in rest position. But you are supposed to go from one position to another, from one room to another room. So what you are doing? You are changing your position with respect to your surrounding, means with respect to that room, or with respect to any corner, or with respect to any chair, means you are changing your position. So such kind of situation is called motion, that you are moving with respect to your surrounding. Now let us discuss about the branches of science which deals with the study of motion. There are basically three branches. First one is statics, second is kinematics, and third is dynamic. Statics means actually at rest. Means this branch of physics which deals with the objects at rest. The object can be at rest when it is under no force, or it is under the force which is in equilibrium, right? Kinematic is the branch of physics which deals with the study of motion without knowing the cause, without knowing its cause. Means, for example, if you roll a ball over the ground, the kinematics will study that ball is changing its position, but it will not tell about its cause. Means it will not tell about who has thrown the ball, what kind of force is acting over it, what kind of force is opposing its motion. So such kind of factors are not explained by the kinematics. Now when we talk about dynamics, it again explain the motion but also explain its causes. For example, it will tell, suppose we have thrown a ball vertically downward, freely fall. In this case, this branch of physics which tell us that it is coming down due to gravitational force. The acceleration acting on it is the gravitational acceleration. Suppose you throw a ball to your another friend, so it will tell about by how much force you have kicked the ball. So all these factors which are causing the motion are explained by this dynamics.